Well, hello YouTubers, scrappers, electronics enthusiasts, folks of all sorts viewing my videos. Today's the day. Today's the day we do the giveaways for the 10,000 subscriber special party. That was in the last video that I put out on this subject about a week ago. Well, today we're going to select the winners. So that's going to happen at the end of this video. So you're going to watch to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. And we're going to get started on this video. This video is going to be an unboxing. A viewer of my channel and friend of mine in Scottsdale, Arizona sent me a box full of goodies. And we'll unpack it and see what's in it. And then we will get to selecting the winners. So let's get to unboxing. Alrighty then. Let's get to unboxing. So this box is from Jim. He lives in Scottsdale, Arizona. We've been emailing back and forth for quite a while about various things. He found a bunch of stuff at an estate sale, and he's been asking me about, whether it has any value. He found a bunch of vintage test equipment and a bunch of other stuff at an estate sale. He's been emailing me. Asking me if I think there's going to be anything valuable in them. Is there anything I can use? Is there any resale value? Well, yada, yada, yada. So, we've done a lot of talking back and forth on various things. And he said, hey, I'm going to pack up a box full of stuff I got at this sale that I really can't use. Hopefully you can use it. If nothing else, you can make an unboxing video out of it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up this box and we'll see what's inside. Now, I had a quick peek inside, but I haven't unpacked it in any detail, so we'll get started with that right now and see just what Jim sent me. So let's see here. Hello Mike, welcome home, congratulations on your 10K subs. Hey, thank you. The bags are marked, the box is also spare parts you might have a use for. Take care, Jim in Phoenix. Well, Phoenix, Scottsdale. Box came from Scottsdale. Well, close. Scottsdale's a suburb of Phoenix. Alright, so let's see what we got here. For your next Eco-Goldex project, 2 bags. So this must be stuff that is gold plated, and sure looks like it. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, there's a lot of gold plated stuff in here. Oh, look at that. That's military grade contacts there. Lots of, if I can get it apart, there we go. Lots of gold-plated pins in that. Wow. And just lots of video connectors, HDMI, yeah. Some gold-plated RCA connectors, gold-plated D-shell connectors. Those look like, I'm not sure what those are actually, but there's a lot of gold plating on them, whatever the heck they are. Huh. Yeah, some sort of specialized idiot-proof polarized connector there. Lots of gold plating. So all this bag here is full. More military grade connectors, USB. There's a nice gold plating in that, whatever it is. Alright. Yeah, more gold plated RCA connectors. So, oh, look at this. That's a D-shell connector. Not only are there gold plated pins inside, but the whole outside of the thing is gold plated. Wow. You see that shining? Wow. Alright, well thank you, Jim. That's not the only one. Here's another one. There's a few of them in there. Yeah, there's another one. Thank you, Jim. Okay. Yes, the next time I do Eco-Goldex, I'll have to run this stuff through and strip all that gold plating off. Nice. Very nice. He said there's 2 bags. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like there's another bag of gold-plated connectors here. Yeah, more of these military-grade connectors. Got lots of... I could tell by the... I'm sure it's not showing up on the camera. Dark in there. but I could tell by the color of the gold plating on those pins that that is heavy, heavy gold. It's not the thin stuff like you see on these kind of pins. That's some heavy gold in those military grade connectors. High reliability connectors. Yeah, some more video stuff. There's another. I actually might mate with that. I think. Yep. Those two go together. Yep. So we got the male and the female of the military grade connectors. And yeah. More audio, video, some more gold plated RCA connectors. That's a weird gender changer. But got gold pins in it, so alright. More gold plating to be stripped off. Thank you very much, Jim. What else have we got here? We got a meter. A little meter. It says phase angle on it. That's probably not showing up, but it says phase angle. And it's 0 to 360. Alright. It's probably just a little milliamp meter. Might be able to use it for something. Possibly. What's this? Oh, here's another meter. This one says 0 to 150 volts on it. Again, that's probably not showing up. Yeah, probably another little milliamp meter. And it's got some sort of board on the back, probably. Huh. I'll have to sort that out. It might come in useful for some project in the future. Figure out how to hook it up without burning it out. Let's see what's here. Some miscellaneous parts. Oh, okay. So we got some potentiometers. A lot of knobs. Some alligator clips. Fuse holder. And yeah. Well, those will come in handy for my projects, especially on my second channel, Electric Geek 64, where I build stuff and repair stuff. So this will come in handy for my projects over there. Okay. And then there's a, oh wait a minute, one more thing in this box. Is that all? That's all. So here is a copper-clad PC board that is completely covered with conformal coating. But I might be able to do something with that. It might come in handy for a project. Throw that back in the box. Throw all this stuff back in the box, and we'll look at what's in this small box. So there's a bunch of stuff in this small box. Got some, looks like 15 volt Zener diodes, bunch of them. He said that there was like a plastic multi-drawer bin thing full of small components, and I guess this must be the stuff that was in there. 1N3015, 200 volt, 1 watt, 5%. So these look like diodes. Got some power resistors here. I hope this is showing up on the video. We got some, oops, they're coming out. Bag's not sealed. Let's see what we got here. Got, what is that? 0.5 ohm, 1% power resistor. Looks like maybe about a 5 watt resistor. I guess that would be good for making shunts or something. Got a little terminal block here. Oh, here's a big bag full of all kinds of, looks like mostly old school carbon composition resistors. This is old school stuff here. This is what you would need for repairing like an old radio or old TV if you wanted to keep it, you know, original. These kind of resistors. A lot of them have a gold band on them. That's pretty good. These are These are precision resistors. All right. What do we got here? It's not really labeled. Looks like 10K precision resistors from the numbers on them. I'll add those to my bin of precision resistors. Ooh, just a whole bunch of, uh-oh. Stuff's going everywhere. I'll have to pick that up off the floor. What have we got here? This looks like all kinds of diodes. I mean, this is the biggest bag of diodes I have ever seen. There's just all sorts of diodes. They're all older. They're all older. This is like stuff from the 50s, 60s, 70s, maybe 50s and 60s for the most part, I would say. A lot of them are glass body, some of them are metal body. There might be some, that looks like that might be a high voltage diode there. Maybe it came out of a TV or something. So there's a lot of neat diodes there. I'll have to sort through them. Some of them might have interesting properties that you can't get in today's diodes. Some of them might be germanium, which come in handy too for various projects. Ooh, sorting through that's going to take a while. Oh, there's another high voltage looking diode in there too. It's going to take a while to sort through all that though. Let's see what fell on the floor here. Oh, it's an indicator light. Looks like it's blue in color. And there's a couple more of them in here. There's one that's got like a maybe faded yellow lens on it. And there's another one with a blue lens. And there's another one with a blue lens. Okay. And there's a piece of the big old school perf board right there with the big holes far apart. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff we had back in the 60s, before ICs, you know, when you're doing point-to-point wiring and stuff. Got some more diodes. Ooh, these have gold-plated legs. I'll have to go through that and see if any of the diodes in there have gold-plated legs. But these are 1N5314. Don't recognize the number immediately. I'll have to look it up and see what they do. They might be more Zener diodes. I'm not sure. What else is down in here? I'm getting about the bottom of it. I guess that's the end. Looks like we got some 39 picofarad capacitors here. All right, so yeah, there's a fair amount of stuff here. Thank you, Jim. I'll put it to good use. I'll get the gold plating off the stuff in the bags there. Some of these components I'm sure will find their way into future projects. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. That was very wonderful of you to send me this. Think of me and send me this stuff. Okay, there's the unboxing. So I guess it's time to take care of the other bit of business we need to do, which is give away the prizes. Let's go find out who the winners are going to be. Okay, here we go. Let's pick some winners. I am on the YouTube random comment picker website. And all I have to do is put in the URL of the video. And here's the video URL. Let me copy this link. Come back over here and put it in here. And then we've got some filter options. We're going to filter duplicate users, so people who left multiple comments or people who I had chats with don't have an unfair advantage just because they show up multiple times in the comments. Okay, so we're going to exclude that. And then we will get the comments. Oh, I need to put in the CAPTCHA. 9. Now it knows I'm not a robot. So amount of unique comments, 76. Okay, so let's come down here and we'll push the start button. And I think we will give away second prize first. Okay, Joe K. Please don't send them to me. Okay, well, we won't send them to Joe. We'll pick somebody else. We'll pick another winner. Ah, Shane York. Shane is one of the frequent commenters on my videos. He's obviously a fan. Congrats on your 10K subs. It should be 100K with your excellent content. Thank you, Shane. Your prices are the best kind. You give us the opportunity to populate and do some gold recovery. Good luck to me. LOL. All right, so Shane, get in touch with me. Leave another comment on this video, and preferably with your email address. We can get in touch with each other and see about shipping options. I think you're probably outside the U.S., though, based on some of your comments. We'll see how expensive it is to ship that box to you. Okay, let's go and pick another winner. This will be for the grand prize, the big box. Larry Matthews. Love all of your videos. Short and sweet comment. Thank you, Larry. Okay, Larry, same for you. Leave another comment on this video. Probably with your email address would be good. I mean, don't leave like your whole home address, your phone number, your social security number, all that good stuff. Just maybe your email address. I can get in contact with you. We can talk shipping options. And then I can delete the comments so your email address isn't hanging out there for all to see forever. Alrighty, well there we go. Shane York and Larry Matthews are our big winners. So for those of you who didn't win, if there is sufficient interest, and let me know if you're interested, I might be able to put together some sort of mystery grab boxes full of stuff in the future. Limited number that I can make available to people. There'll be some cost involved plus shipping. It'll be nominal, I think. But let me know if there's any kind of interest. I can put together these boxes of stuff and probably put them up for sale on my blog at mdpub.com. And no, we won't have to worry about eBay fees, all that good crap. You can just get them directly from me. And if there's an interest. If not, we'll forget about it. So let me know in the comments whether you're interested in maybe picking up some of these mystery boxes like I gave away today. Anyway, congratulations to our two winners. I want to make a big thank you to Jim in Phoenix for sending me the big goodie box that I unpacked here to make this video. And I want to send out a really huge thank you to all of my subscribers who got the channel over the 10,000 hump, and beyond my wildest dreams how the channel's been growing. Thank you very much. Keep watching and we'll keep growing the channel, and I got lots of new content coming down the line in the future that I think you'll really enjoy. So keep watching. Thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.